Good morning. Today is January 27th. We have so many fun things to go over today, but I want to start with colors. And we're adding a new color today. Can you guess what it is? We have green. We have blue. We have yellow. And now red. Ooh, I know one of you guys already knows how to spell red. So the song is going to be easy. So let's start with green. Green, Green. I know how to spell green, Green. Caterpillars are green and grasshoppers too. I know how to spell green, Green. Good job. What color is going to be next? Yellow. Let's make sure I get this fanned out the right direction. All right, folks, can you see all the letters? All right. Are you ready? Get set, go! Yellow spells yellow. Yellow spells yellow. Like the early morning sun when the day has just begun. Yellow spells yellow. Daffodils and baby ducks are yellow. Scrambled eggs and lemonade are yellow. I like the smiley face that's yellow. He is such a happy fellow. Yellow spells yellow. And if you can hear the sound in the background, that's my dog. Hey, it's loud, isn't it? He has a little chew toy that's banging on the floor, but not anymore. He can have it back afterwards. All right. Woohoo! I know we've got some fans of blue out there. All right. BLUE spells blue. BLUE spells blue. Hi-ho, did you know BLUE spells blue? The big sky is blue. The ocean is too. Hi-ho, did you know BLUE spells blue? Well done. And then the last color. What color was it? Alrighty, we got it going in the right direction. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D. R-E-D. Should we do it one more time? Let's do it. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. I can spell red. I can spell red. Fire trucks are red. Stop signs are red too. R-E-D. R-E-D. All right, well done. We have 4 colors. How many colors are there? So many. Let's see. How many colors are in the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's a rainbow. How many colors are those? 6 in the rainbow. And then there's innumerable. That means so many of each shade of color. So I am curious, what have you been wearing lately? Has it been long sleeves? Has it been fuzzy jackets and hats? Have you been wearing pants and warm shoes. I'm sure you have. And maybe drinking lots of nice warm things. I hope so. Because it has been a little bit snowy in town, huh? And what's it doing? Well, maybe not right now, but what did it do all last night? Yes, it snowed. So we're getting a little bit of this and a little bit of this. Woo! I do love some weather. So I am going to check in with you on our Zoom tomorrow and find out how much rain I'm able to collect. And I have my measuring tape here because I didn't make a fun measuring stick like I made you guys. So let's see, that's to 7, and your measuring tape shows till 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many inches do you think we'll get? Can you hypothesize how many inches you think we'll get during this storm? I'm gonna guess 3. How many inches do you guess? Ooh, all right. I can't wait to see how we do with our hypothesis, because then we're going to check our experiment. And let me see. I have our hypothesis paper here, our scientific method, excuse me. And we question, we say, how much rain will we get? We hypothesize, which means I think, and my guess is 3 inches. Is your guess 3.5? Is your guess 2? Is your guess 60? 80? I don't know. Let's find out. We're going to experiment. We're going to stick our rain catcher outside and we're going to measure what we get. And then we'll have a conclusion. That means I found out we got this much rain. So we will find out. So something else that I sent home, and I didn't take mine out of the balloon yet. So, oh my gosh, I had a different kind of balloon than you did, friends. So I thought I could probably show you while it's still wrapped up, because I don't have a kid to come over and play with it right now. But I have dinosaurs hidden underneath. So all this ice is going to have to be melted away, and I have a pipette. Ooh, can you see what it, whoa, that looks pretty cool, huh? So if you decide to do this experiment, you can see what melts the ice fastest. Doesn't it look like a big rock? It's got these cool cuts in it. I love it. So you can figure out what makes your frozen balloon melt faster to save the dinosaurs. Will it be cold water? Will it be hot water? Will it be salt? Did you know that they use salt to melt ice? I saw some at the grocery store today so that they can melt the ice so that nobody slips as they're going up to the grocery store door. Isn't that interesting? So, if you end up doing this experiment, I can't wait to hear how you did and what conclusions you ended up having. What ended up being the best way to melt the ice and rescue the dinosaurs. So, I know we have been talking about 5s a little bit, and you know what I thought? It's 27 doesn't end up falling under a place where you can count by 5s. It has to end in a 0 or in a 5, and today ends in a 7. But I thought it might be really interesting to count by 5s with the tape measure, because then you'll be able to see all of these different numbers that we're skipping. So when we start skipping numbers, we're going to count by 5s first. We're going to go 5, and we're going to skip 5. We're going to go 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 30. We can keep going. We've only gone to 30 with those paper skip countings by 5s that I have, but we can go 35. We can go 40. What comes next? Can you guess? 45. And then we'll stop at 50. Now, we've also noticed that we can skip count by 10. So that means instead of stopping at 5, we go all the way to 10. And then we skip 10 more numbers. So we'll skip 10 more. 10, 20. Do you see it ends in a 0? 10, 20. And then we'll go to the next one that ends in a 0. 30. We skipped 10. Go to the next one that ends in a 0. There it is. 40. Skipped 10. And then last one that we'll do right now. Oh, skipped another 10. There's 50. It ends with a 0. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So fast. All right. So, I found a book that says, do you really want to meet Triceratops? And what is that right there? A question mark. Yes, sirree. And we are talking about cues and questions and queens. So, do you remember how to write a cue? You got to do a circle with a slash on the side. And then the lowercase one is a lot like a G, except for the tail swings in the opposite direction. So that's a capital Q and a lowercase q. So since we rescued, or will rescue, dinosaurs from our frozen balloon, if you end up doing that, I thought we could read, do you really want to meet Triceratops? Do you? I don't know. Let's find out. Your pet chameleon looks just like a tiny Triceratops. Wow. Triceratops was as big as an elephant. Its horns were 3 feet long. You know that already. And you still want to meet a real Triceratops? 3 feet long? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Because 3 feet, every 12 inches, that's 1 foot. Okay, that's 2 feet. Wait, we gotta go all the way to 36. Oh, that is 3 feet long. That's how big the Triceratops horns were. That's really long. So you do want to meet a Triceratops. Okay, let's find out more. Ooh, there we go. You have a time machine, right? Set it for 66 million years ago. That's during the Cretaceous period, before dinosaurs went extinct. Triceratops fossils have been found across western North America. Many were found in Montana. That's a good place to start. Montana is in the United States. Western North America was warm and wet back then, and you've landed near a river. Watch closely and you might see turtles and snails, lizards, and even mammals. But you probably won't find a Triceratops near the river. It's time to start hiking. Do you have your hiking shoes on? All right, let's go. Wow! What's that smell? It's a giant pile of dinosaur poop. Ooh! Someday it could turn into a rocky fossil. Scientists will learn what dinosaurs ate by studying it. Maybe that dinosaur that made that pile is nearby. Yes, it is. Oh, we are going to get to find the dinosaur. Oh my goodness, what have we found? From here you can see it eating. Crunch. With its sharp beak, Triceratops can chomp branches that are too tough for other dinosaurs to eat. Inside its mouth are 800 strong teeth for chewing. I want you to see this number. 800. What's that moving? Oh, the dinosaur isn't by itself. One. Let's see, is that another one back there? 2, 3, 4. It's a herd. Let's find out. Oh, there are 3 other Triceratops together. Older Triceratops wander alone, so these must be young. You can also tell by their horns. Look, the horns above their eyes curve backwards. As they grow, their horns will grow straight and then curve forward. Maybe you can find an adult too. Let's keep hiking. So there's its horns. They're short and they're growing back. Oh yeah, I see the difference. These horns, they kind of point forwards. Oh no, we found a predator. Whoa, there's a T-Rex. Stay low. And still, T-Rex was the fiercest predator in the Cretaceous period. It's looking at something. Can you tell what? Oh, it's another Triceratops. See how its horns are pointing forwards? That tells you it's an adult. It's bigger than the others you saw too. What will T-Rex do? Oh my goodness. Oh, looks like they're gonna battle. Charge! T-Rex attacks, but Triceratops stands its ground. It's big. It has large bony frill around its neck. Do you see that right there? And of course, it has those horns. The T-Rex changes its mind. It leaves to find something easier to catch. Yay! Oh, now look what's happening. Now Triceratops has a different problem. Another adult Triceratops wants to fight. Usually adults stay by themselves. Maybe these two both want the same territory. Maybe they're fighting over a mate. They've locked horns. Oh my goodness. What will happen next? Oh, this is no fake fight. Triceratops, oops, hard to see the picture. Triceratops really get injured in these battles. You don't want to get caught in the action. Time to leave this prehistoric horned wonder and head home to your pet chameleon, your own horned wonder. Whew. There we go. And that's where Triceratops bones have been found. Do you see this? This is the United States right here. And this is where Triceratops fossils have been found, right in that area. This is California. So this is where we are. So you have to drive all the way over there, kind of in the Midwest-ish area. How cool. What a fun book. I can't wait to rescue my dinosaurs and see what I have in here. So I think lastly, I know usually we end with the book, but we should talk about a little bit more about the weather and the temperature. Yes. What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Like today? Sunny, windy, rainy, cloudy, stormy, snowy. Can you say? Can you say? So I want you to notice my thermometer behind me. So let's see, it's supposed to get as warm as 39 degrees. So that little itty bitty bit of red down there, that's what we're gonna get today. Isn't that wild? It's gonna stay pretty chilly. So I hope that you guys get a chance to stay inside and stay cozy, or go outside and make a snowman for reals, or throw a snowball, anything that you guys come up with. That sounds amazing. And I will get to see you tomorrow, I hope. Bye, my friends.